is a look at the Marshmallow Number die set. This new die set coordinates with the previously released Marshmallow Alpha die set. Each of the numbers is approximately 1.5 inches tall. The die set contains 22 separate dies and is made of high-quality 100% carbon steel. Here are some samples from our design team. You can see that the images have been used in many different ways, including holiday cards, birthday cards, or all-occasion cards. They work well and companion with many of our other products. Thanks for checking out the Marshmallow Number die set.